Hey guys, welcome to my channel. I'm LeetCoder, and if you guys are new to my channel, I pretty much do LeetCode style questions and try to explain things in the most simplistic way possible. And today I have this very interesting problem for you guys. It's called to lowercase. So pretty much we're given a string, right? A string can have capital letters in there, and our task is to turn it into a lowercase string, like all lowercase. Everything should be lowercase, right? So you guys can see from the first example, we're giving hello with a capital H, and the output is a H with a lowercase, right? So the whole string, all the characters should be in lowercase, right? As you guys can see from this, all lowercase, yeah, we just returned the whole string lowercase, right? And we got this one, lovely, all capitals, and we return all lowercase. So pretty much we're giving a string, turning it into a lowercase string, right? So the obvious solution to this, and the easiest solution would be to use the built-in functions that are given to us in our whatever language that we're using, right? So for Java, we would just return str that to lowercase, right? And then that will solve the problem for us, right? But I'm pretty sure in a interview setting, that's not gonna be what the interviewer is gonna be expecting, right? They're gonna expect you to actually code up the logic yourself, and yeah. So the logic this is what we're gonna do today. We're gonna build the logic and then use this as the solution, right? So the solution, the way we're gonna approach this question, right, is to the way that we're gonna turn into a lowercase is by using the ASCII values, right? So we're gonna loop through the string, right? As we're looping through, if a character is uppercase, then we simply um, subtract uh, that character from the ASCII value of capital A, right? Capital A was going to serve us as the base, and the distance from that, right, from the capital A, right, plus the ASCII value of the lowercase a, right? Because we're gonna use the distance from the capital A plus the ASCII value of 97 of A to give us the distance between the lowercase a to whatever value. So I'm gonna try to code it up, and hopefully it makes a lot more sense. And also I got a table that I'm gonna use to make sure you guys understand what I'm trying to say just now. So let me just cut the solution really quick. So we're gonna use a string builder, right? String builder. So string builder, and then we're gonna loop through the string, right? So yeah, so we do char c, and then the string to char array, and then once we do that, we do a check, right? So we're gonna do an if and else statement because we gotta populate our output string, right? So the check that we're gonna do is if a character is uppercase, right? If it is uppercase, then that's where the magic happens, right? This is where we're gonna do the bit of the logic. So like I was saying, right, we're gonna use that value, right, a minus the uppercase a, right, just gonna give us the distance between that a, right, plus now once we get the distance, right, in between the range, right, now we're gonna be able to get also this, so to correspond to the same character. So let's say so let me use this example really quick, right? So yeah, let me go to the table real quick. So let's say, right? So let's say we're using 65. Let's say we got A, right? Capital A. Capital A is a uppercase, right? Then we would do 65 minus 65, which gives you 0, plus the ASCII value of the lowercase, right, to get the distance from it to 0, so it would be the lowercase a, right? So let's say we had uppercase B. So we're looping through, and the character that we're currently on is B, capital B. So it would be 66 minus 65, which gives you 1, plus 97 is going to give you a corresponding lowercase value. So you could do the same thing for 67 minus 65, 2 plus 97 gives you 99. And that's how you're able to get that, that corresponding character for that specific character that you're looking for. And then once we get the value for it, we need to cast it into a char, right? Because we don't want the integer, we want the char value of it. So that's why we do it, or we cast it into a char, right? And after we do that, we just, if a character is not uppercase, right? Or it's any other character, then we just append it to the output string. And once we do that, we're pretty much set. So we can return the SB2 string, right? And then, yeah, so it seems like everything's in place. Let's try to run the code and see if we did everything correctly. All right, seems like we passed the small test case. Let's press submit. All right, seems like everything went through fine. Everything's fine, so that's good. Yeah, so the time complexity for this is O of n, right? And then the space complexity as well is O of n as well. So this is a very, very good problem. It really, tests some kind of, your knowledge on the ASCII values. But this is a pretty good problem. It's pretty straightforward. So yeah, guys, so let me know in the comment section if I did a pretty good job at explaining this problem. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next one.